Hi guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I want to create an easy pink clown Halloween makeup look, and we're going to be using the James Charles palette. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. So starting off, I am going to be using an eyeshadow primer. I'm using the Angel Eyes primer, and just to let you guys know, I did already do my eyebrows and I did use my regular eyebrow routine, but then I decided to go in and add some of the color Love That, which is a magenta pink on my eyebrows. Then I'm going to set it in with Pinkity Drinkity, which is a matte pink, baby pink eyeshadow. So now taking the color Mary, we're going to use that as a transitional color. And this is a matte dusty rose, and we're just going to apply that on our lid and blend it out. Then I'm going to take the color Skip, and this is a matte neon pink. So I am using the Leche 237 blending brush. I'm going to apply that on your outer corner and on your crease, and then you just want to blend it out. And I'm also using the Leche 205 tapered blending brush. And just to let you guys know, this color will definitely stain your eyelids. It probably will last like at least 24 hours. Yeah, it's definitely a warning. So I'm taking the shade Love That, and I'm taking the Leche mini flat angled brush, and I'm going to focus that darker color on the outer corner of my eye and just blend it. Then I'm just going to be switching between the Leche 237, the small blending brush, and the Leche 250, which is the large eye blending brush. So you want to take a concealer brush to create a half crease. And if you have hooded eyes, what you want to do is you want to apply a little bit of concealer on your eyelid, open your eye, and then where the concealer touches your lid, that's where you're going to be making your crease. And then you're going to take an eyeshadow. Here I'm using a light pink loose shimmer. I believe it's from e.l.f. Then you want to add more of that darker magenta color, and you're going to blend it, making sure that you don't have any harsh lines between the dark pink and the light pink. Now I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner. This is by Hank and Henry, and I'm just going to create a thin wing. And so since we are creating a girl clown and clowns have white faces, I didn't want to do like a full-on white face. So what I decided to do is I decided to take a lighter foundation. This is the Wet n Wild matte foundation, and it is in the color Soft Ivory, which is way lighter than my actual skin tone, but it's still not like full-on white. So for our concealer, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take a shade that's way too light. This is Maybelline in the shade Ivory, and I'm just going to go in and highlight my face. Then I'm going to take, I believe this is also a Maybelline concealer, but it is in the shade Caramel. I use it as a bronzer. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to contour my face. And I'm just going to blend it out using an e.l.f. small stippling brush. And now you're going to see me struggle trying to blend out my nose contour because I added way too much product, and it's definitely going to take you a long time to blend it out if you add way too much. So always try to keep your nose contour very light. So as you can see, what I did is I went in and I added a little bit more concealer to help tone down some of that bronziness. Now I'm going to take this Ofra pressed powder, and this is literally white. So you're going to apply it on the high points of your face, and this is going to give us more of a white clown face without it being our whole face, you know what I mean? And then just go in and dust some of that off, and then whatever's on your brush, use that to kind of like set the rest of your face without really applying too much, because you don't want your whole face to be white. Now I'm going to take a red lip pencil, and I'm going to use that to kind of sketch out a triangle And then I'm going to go in with the color Skip and the color Love That from the James Charles palette. And I'm going to use those two shades to fill in the triangle. And that's when I realized that I still hadn't finished my face. So I went in and I contoured my face. I used the Wet n Wild contour palette. This was in the color Dulce de Leche. Then I went in with my blush. This is the Lancome Shimmer Pink Pool. This is a bright pink, and we're gonna apply that very generously on her cheeks because we want her to have very rosy pink cheeks. Then after, I took again the red lip pencil. But yeah, I took my red lip pencil, and then again I took those two eyeshadows and I used them to fill in my triangle. And then I didn't show this part because my battery died. So I took the lip pencil from MAC in the shade Heroine, and this is a dark purple, like a magenta, and I used that to outline my lips. I took a light pink. This is from Starlooks, and this is in the shade Tickle Me Pink, and I used that on the center of my lips. Then for my bottom lash, I did use the same two shades, Skip and Love That, and I added some mascara. Then I took the Pur Festival Palette and I used the color Firework, and this is a pink gold cream glitter, and I used that and I applied it on the inside of the triangle. For my highlighter, I used Wet n Wild Blossom Glow, and this is more of a pinky undertone highlighter. So now for the tip of the nose, you're just going to create a circle using the dark MAC lip pencil, and then you're going to take the Tickle Me Pink lighter lip pencil and you're going to fill that in, and then you're going to use more highlight on the tip of the nose. And then after, I used some gemstones. I got these at Walmart and I just applied them on the points of the triangle and then over my face. You can apply this wherever you want, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.